Very good afternoon, dear students. Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon. Okay, let me start. So, in last lecture, I have done the revision of the second unit. Okay, and from today's lecture onwards, I am going to start third unit. That is nothing but ethical dilemmas, sources, and their resolutions. So, it is my outline for this unit: ethical dilemmas, sources, and their resolutions. Over here, we are going to see about what is ethical dilemma, sources of ethical behavior, code of personal ethics for employees, how to resolve an ethical problem, and how to resolve ethical dilemmas. So these 5 points are suggested for this particular unit, which we are going to see in this presentation, in this lecture as well as in upcoming lectures. So it's my introduction for this particular unit. So with the help of introduction, I am creating one learning base for you people so that you can understand this entire unit easily. As you people might be aware that uh, as all of us, as a producer, distributor, and even as a consumer, confront situations where our moral behavior is put to the test. Okay, sometimes we are, most of the time we are consumers, but in some of the situation we may be some producer, or we may be some distributor, but at each and every time some tricky situation is there, and which test ourselves. Okay, so there are innumerable occasions when they may have to fight in courts. Sellers try to suppress fact about their products or services. Buyers call out with sellers in order to evade taxes, and that are due to government. Okay, so consider as a consumer, we don't want to pay taxes. And from the supplier side, what they are doing? They are cheating us. They are hiding some information. They are not sharing each and every information about their product. Okay, so buyers more often refuses to take bills if taxes are added to the prices, and they pay for the products they buy. On every such occasion, we came across an ethical dilemma. Consider you, if you are going to visit a jewelry shop to purchase gold, and if you are going to purchase gold of 2 lakh or 3 lakh, then GST is there. Okay, so in many cases, many people are saying that give us rough bill, we don't want pure bill. Okay, so what jewelers do, they provide rough estimated copy which is not having any GST. So it is a ethical dilemma based situation for him. So in this chapter we are going to analyze the ways and wherefores in such dilemmas and how those can be surmounted by moral and upright behavior. Hope all of you are getting me. What we are going to study in this topic, in this chapter. Am I right, dear students? Please respond me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So, it's ethical dilemma. What to choose? We are in dilemma, we are in confusion. Which one is correct? Ethically, we are saying that we should go for correct one, true one. But professionally, it is very tough because your competitors are there. So, in such situation, it may create certain issues. So, here some examples are there for ethical dilemmas. Some examples of ethical dilemma include taking credits for others' work. Many of your classmates are doing this kind of activity. Whenever it's group assignment, at that time, if faculty is asking that, what is your contribution? So at that time, he or she is going to say that, sir, each and everything is done by me. He was just a passive player. I was active and I did each and everything. Okay. So that was a first example. Second example is offering a client a worse product for your own profit. In your advertisement, you are putting something. At the time of deal, you are highlighting too many features and all other things. But when it's a time of delivery, you are giving a worse product. Okay. Why? Because you want to earn more and more profit. And third example is utilizing inside knowledge for your own profit. You want to earn more profit. So what happens? You are utilizing some knowledge in the sense, consider you are working with some company, consider Google. Let me give you one example of Google. Google is working on autopilot car, self-driving car. So one person who was working with Google joined Uber and he tapped too many secrets from Google. Why he did those things? Because for his own profit. Later on, he found guilty and huge punishment was given to him. So, ethical dilemma. What to choose? Which one is true? Which one is false? Which direction is right? Which direction is wrong? Where I should move? Whether I am moving in right direction or wrong direction? That is nothing but ethical dilemma. So, an ethical dilemma or ethical paradox or moral dilemma is a problem in which the decision-making process between two possible options, neither of which is absolutely acceptable from an ethical perspective. Although we face many ethical and moral problems in our life, most of them come with relatively straightforward solutions. On the other hand, ethical dilemmas are extremely complicated challenges that cannot be solved easily. Therefore, the ability to find optimum solution in such situation is critical to everyone. I repeat, ethical dilemma is a problem But when problem in the decision making process, you are going to take certain decision. At that time, you are in dilemma. Where to go? Which option I should select? Okay. Between two possible options, neither of which is absolutely acceptable from an ethical perspective. It may be possible that both options are wrong and you are supposed to select any one of them. So, ability to find the optimum solution in such situation is critical to everyone. So, what is ethical dilemma? Ethics is something that an organization would say is important. Okay, at the time of joining any company, organization is going to give you ethical training, and in that training they will say that ethics is something that any organization would say is important. So it is very important. So ethical dilemma, it's a definition of ethical dilemma. An ethical dilemma is a moral situation in which a choice has to be made between two equally undesirable alternatives. I repeat, an ethical dilemma is a moral situation in which a choice has to be made between two equally undesirable alternatives. Dilemma may arise out of various sources of behavior or attitude, as for instance, it may arise out of failure of personal character, conflicts of personal values and organizational goals versus social values, etc. Now, it's a business dilemma. Business dilemma exists when an organizational decision maker faces a choice between two or more options that will have various impact on the organization's profitability and competitiveness. Second, its stakeholders. In situations of this kind, one must act out of prudence to take a better decision. As we can see, many of these ethical choices involve conflicts of values. Sometimes some situations are there. In those situations, conflicts of personal values and organizational goal. In organization, particular target is given to you and you need to complete that target anyhow. So, but there are some personal values are there. So what you are going to do? There are some organizational goal and social values too. So what you are going to do? Are you going to be with your personal values or are you going to select organizational goal where you are working? So this kind of tricky situation is nothing but ethical dilemma. So is there anyone who can define ethical dilemma? Dear students, please respond me. Hello, am I audible, dear students?
Yes, sir.
So please,
The ethical dilemma.
yes, dear.
Ethical dilemma means the decision making between our morals and ethics.
Okay. Anyone else? 59 number. 59 number.
Yes, sir.
What is ethical dilemma?
Sir, it is the decision making between two, between two difficult situations.
Okay.
Yeah.
7 number. 19 batch 7 number. Batch 17 number. Yes, 17 number.
Ethical dilemmas are the situations in which there is difficult choices to be made.
Correct. So in previous slide, the definition was there. It's a moral situation in which a choice has to be made between two equally undesirable alternatives. Okay, so wherever you are going to work in your professional life, over there, many times this kind of situations will be there, and you need to take decision accordingly. So that is nothing but ethical dilemma. So ethical dilemma is a moral situation in which a choice is to be made between two equally undesirable alternatives. An ethical dilemma is a moral situation in which a choice has to be made between two equally undesirable alternatives. It's about business dilemma. A business dilemma exists when an organizational decision maker faces a choice between two or more options that impacts on organization's profitability and competitiveness and its stakeholders. Stakeholders are nothing but a person who is directly or indirectly associated with that business. It can be supplier, it can be end user, it can be stock market based shareholders too. Okay, even consider GSET. So you, me, your parents, management, even university, all of us are called as stakeholders of GSETs. Okay, so a business dilemma exists when an organization decision maker faces a choice between two or more options that will have various impact on the organizational profitability and competitiveness and its stakeholders. In situation of kind, one must act out of prudence to take a better decision. So here it's a graphical representation of structure of ethical dilemma. Either or. Either doing what is morally right results in a bad outcome or bad effect, or doing what is morally wrong results in good or at least better effects or outcome. But always better or good results are not there. It may be for a short time duration. But you need to think wisely over here so that expected outcomes may be very better for your upcoming career too. So, as we have said that ethical dilemma, it's a decision-making process. Am I right? So, ethical dilemmas are going to affect not only shareholders but employees, society. So it's one triangle. Ethical dilemmas in a business can be explained by the above triangle with the stakeholders as its vertices. So three different vertices are shown over here in this triangular pattern. One is shareholders, second is employees, and third one is society. Society means end users. End users means a person who is going to use their products. So if your decision is not right, in that case, these three persons are going to get affected by your decision. Now it's about corporate dilemma over ethics. Corporate dilemma over ethics. People in business came across several ethical problems that causes ethical dilemmas. For instance, they feel that there is a lack of clear linkage between business ethics and financial success. They are not clear as how much they should invest in the business ethics system. They are unclear about the right balance between business ethics and the investment required for the same, and seemingly long gestation period and lack of short-term gain is also an obstacle. So that is nothing but corporate dilemma over ethics. Sources of ethical problems we are going to see in upcoming lectures, because it's a little bit long topic. So dilemma I'm going to start in upcoming lectures. Okay, dear students.
Yes, sir.
Is there any confusion regarding today's lecture?
No doubt, sir.
Thank you, dear. Have a good time. Thank you for joining me. Today it was a lab of, today it's a more Monday, am I right? It was a lab of EMI. And I have observed that none of your classmates joined that laboratory. Dear students, I would like to highlight one important thing is over there, it's a practical subject, and if you are not going to attend that laboratory regularly, in that case, you are going to suffer a huge loss in terms of marks, because practical evaluation will be there. And if you are not going to attend laboratories, and if you are not going to go for the submission of the term works, in that case, it is going to affect your result a lot. So I wish that not only A batch, but all other batches, students are going to start joining that laboratory session. Even I am able to see that right now only 14 students have joined this lecture session. Okay, so tell your other classmates to join lectures regularly. Thank you. Have a good time. You may leave now. Take care.
Thank you, sir.